Again, it's the Commissioner's Corner, this time for the month of June. And I thought I would just review today the impact and the goals and the vision of the Stepping Up initiative and what a difference it is making in our county. So if you remember, the goal of the Stepping Up initiative is to reduce the number of people with mental health and substance use issues from being booked into the jail and instead diverted to treatment of some kind. There's a number of different programs and ways that can be done. The city of Conyers actually has a mental health clinician now embedded in their police department, which has reduced the number of the people that they previously would have been sent to jail. We are working on the Opening Doors to Recovery project to work with the Rockdale County Sheriff's Office, and that will also do similar things. Be able to work with law enforcement to keep people from being booked into jail but rather diverted into treatment. That's the mission of the Stepping Up initiative. How it's carried out is through collaboration with a lot of different community partners. And it could not happen without this collaboration because it requires everybody working together. It's sort of like wraparound services from all of us to help those people most in need. The vision statement is very interesting. I have not discussed this previously in one of my Commissioner's Corners, so I wanted to just go over that today. So it reads, create a community that respects, supports, and enhances the recovery process for people who live with mental health and substance use challenges. And so when we're looking at that, we're talking about these same people that may have a criminal activity, but it's due entirely to a mental health issue, a crisis, or a substance use crisis. And again, we're trying to create a community. This takes everybody. Okay, going on, it says, part of the mission is to work in collaboration, and that's the word I used before, collaboration. It takes everybody. Work in collaboration among systems of health, behavioral health, law enforcement, justice, human services, public safety, recovery community, and advocates to optimize the level of services and minimize recidivism and length of incarceration in the county detention center. So what we're trying to do is to help people learn how to change their lives, to be accountable, and to recognize what it is they can do and help them with the skills to do what they need to do to become self-sufficient. The really rewarding part of this is when they learn how to do this, we have seen individuals connected with children, individuals connected with their extended families, and individuals connected with even with their spouses. And so that is the real essence of Stepping Up, is to help people make their lives whole and meaningful to them. One person at a time creates families, creates communities, and makes a difference in Rockdale County.